Former Towie star Joey Turner has posted a concerning snap of his protruding collarbone on his social media yesterday. Lately, the TV personality's provocative posts have been attracting attention, with concerned fans and followers sharing their thoughts online about his thin frame. And Joey continued to raise eyebrows as he shared a close-up photo of his clavicle while wearing a black vet top to his Instagram story. The post comes days after he shared a worrying snap about the detritus of glamour. The ex-reality star referenced an ID article about fashion designer Rick Owens that used the phrase in its headline. Within it, Paris-based Rick speaks of how his dirty chic clothing is inspired by the rough streets of LA. Beside the article, Joey suggestively lifted up his top and placed his hand in his waistband. One follower commented, "DM me hun, you need to talk to someone X." Towie's Chloe Brockett recently reminded people that words can hurt after her pal Joey was slammed for being too skinny. The 21-year-old reality star has begged the internet to be kinder after Joey was flooded with negative comments about his appearance. During an Instagram Q&A, Chloe was asked if she and Joey were still friends. The Essex babe replied, "Of course we are. He called me today. I love him very much. I wish the internet would be kinder to him." At Joey Turner. In October, Chloe hit back at fans telling her to help the university student. Her former co-star sparked concern after showing his dramatic image change since leaving the reality show. Sharing pictures of his skinny frame, Chloe reacted to worried fans commenting on Instagram about his appearance, insisting, "It's his choice." "What I'm a bit confused is as to why I'm constantly getting tagged in these pictures saying I should help Joey," the reality star wrote. "He is fine, he eats. I've spoken to him, I see him regularly. All these people preaching about help your friend are also writing violent far too skinny. Sorry Karen from Blackpool, I forgot you see Joey regularly and know what he's eating and how he is. Yet me, his friend, gets moaned at by complete strangers? Make it make sense." "Joey is fine and we speak regularly. I understand he looks skinny, but that is his personal choice." Joey sparked concern after posing in ripped tights, a crop top and socks as he gazed at the camera. In other photos, he perched on a wall, wearing snakeskin trousers and a tiger print top. And the ex-reality star slipped into a black dress, accessorizing with a cross-chain and balaclava mask. "I'm not your role model." Last month, Joey was forced to hit back at followers who dubbed him too thin as he admitted he wasn't bothered by comments about his figure. "I am not your role model," he wrote in a statement. "If I'm honest, I'm not fazed by the comments. I just want those who are about me to know I'm okay. I don't care about the comments simply because it's hard to care for the opinions of people that know nothing about me, my diet, my metabolism or my medical history with my weight. I'm a 20-year-old student, I'm not on TV. I'm a student like any other and I am not your role model, so if you want someone to look up to, I suggest putting someone else on a pedestal because I am not him." He added to the Sun, "I weigh 7.5 stone, but I don't weigh myself. I don't care about how much I weigh. I am skinny, I can't help that I am skinny." Joey admitted that he had always had a long, thin frame and believed to be eating a healthy diet of sorrel, salad and sushi. "I don't eat loads. I am not really a foodie, that's not me being anorexic, I just don't care to participate in gluttony," he hit back.